How to install MySQL on your Windows machine. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will walk you through these steps. First, head over to the MySQL official website. Just search for MySQL installer in your browser. Once you open the official site, then go to Download section. There you can see MySQL Community GPL download section and then click on MySQL Download Installer for Windows. It will show you two options. We need to select one of them. There is a download button. Click on that download button. After that, it will ask you to log in or sign up, but we need to skip that. We will just click on just start my download. So our download process gets started. Once downloading is complete, we will install that package on our system. We can see on screen that installation process is in progress. Sometimes your device can ask you some permissions. We need to allow those permissions. As we can see, setup is done and installation is in progress. It will ask to choose a setup. From these options, we select custom setup because we can select products manually by using this option. After that, it will ask to select products. We will choose products from the available products list and we'll move that to next section that needs to be installed. Here we will select MySQL Server, then MySQL Workbench and then MySQL Shell. Once you select all these three, click on Next. In the installation tab, we can see these three products. Then we need to execute this. Here installation process is in progress. This tab shows us how many percentage of installation is done. Once all these three products get installed, or we can say the status is complete, we will move to the next step. Once we click on Next, it will ask for the product configurations. In the type and networking, keep default option as it is. In authentication method also, keep the default options. After that, in accounts and roles, it will ask for MySQL root password. We need to set up our new password for this account. You can keep any password because after the installation we need this password. Once password is set, then click on Next. In Windows service, keep all the default options and then click on the Next. In the last tab, Apply Configuration. It is an automatic step. We just need to execute this. Once we click on Execute, these all processes will get executed automatically. After configuration for MySQL Server was successful, click Finish to continue. Then again click on Next. It will show the installation is complete and then click on Finish. Once you click on Finish, MySQL Shell will get open and also Workbench tab will get open. You can see GUI of MySQL Workbench. Here is the local instance MySQL. We need to log in to this instance. It is asking password. We need to enter the password we have set up at the time of installation. Once you enter the password, we can see this interface. Once installation is done, we need to set environment variable. For that, go to Program Files, again in MySQL folder, again in MySQL Server folder, and in bin, copy this path. From Start menu, go to Set Environment Variables. Click on Environment Variables, then click on Path, add new path, paste path here, then click OK. Now the configuration is done and the environment variable path is also set. Again from Start menu, go to Command Prompt, Here, type command MySQL -- version. This MySQL -- version command give you the recent installed version of MySQL. If you want to log in from command prompt to MySQL, you can use command MySQL-u root-p and then hit enter. It will ask to enter password. Enter your root password. Now you are in the MySQL server. To check the databases available in this instance, use command show databases. It will show you the available databases in that instance. If you want to check all these databases from Workbench, you also can check this. From MySQL Workbench also, you can check these databases. Go to MySQL Workbench. Type command show databases and run this command. It will give the same schema available in this instance. Thank you for watching.